umuntu kangasuki lapha asuka khona ebuye ezoxabana lo muntu amtholileyo khonapho elizweni. Is not in only in Zimbabwe kuphela, even wakhale South Africa kule similar case eka Thembinkosi Lodge lo Hugo Bruce. That's unprofessional.
We are back. Welcome to Depth 3 TV. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land, proudly brought to you by Prascol Electrical and Solar Energies.
We are Prascol Electrical and Solar Energy is what we do. We are Prascol, professional and know the way. We are Prascol, isizwe sonke ngesola, isizwe sonke ngamakhethi. We are Prascol, nyika yesene sola, nyika yesene makhethi. We are Prascol, we are Prascol. Customer care plenty, well-trained team on hand, professional service, superior service beyond any measure. Isizwe sonke ngesola, isizwe sonke ngamakhethi. We are Prascol, nyika yesene sola, nyika yesene makhethi. We are Prascol, we are
Prascol, your one-stop shop for all solar and electrical needs.
And also, I've got good news today before I proceed, gents, to our viewers. Ungathenga mana ngifaye kuhle. Thenga ungahamba ePrascol Electrical and Solar Energies and buy anything. Kumbe li battery or a solar panel or solar lights or anything there at Prascol, you will get a favorable discount as long as uzafika ubatshela ukuthi you first saw this yiye khona lapha eDeb3 TV ukuthi i-edi le ngiyibone ePass and Move uzamangala into abangakuyenzela yona asikho kodwa balakho but they've got a whole lot of goodies. Ungavele ubatshela ukuthi I saw this ku-Pass and Move bakubulala nge-discount enye enzima kakhulu. So labantu abafuna ukuyafaka amasola, abafuna ukufakelwa ama-pumps, abafuna ukukhangelelwa nje anything electrical, go to ePraxol ubatshele ukuthi you saw this ad khonapha ePass and Move bazakwenzela okumnandi. And as always, you know, i-Sport Zone asichi ngabangani bethu the friends of the show yibo abasifakela amabhora lawa ama-trophy into ezimnandi bona specializer anything sport. Ishop yankhona bafaka ama-details khona phana dealer with anything sport nje kumbe cricket, rugby, kuyini, anything, any regalia uyayithola khona phana eSport Zone. And also not forgetting our friends from day one, i-Okuhle Designs isihamba labo asibachi. And chance namhla ngani siphungulekile umachisa la abamphangi i-off uganye uthe mana esayeqedisa ukuthwala impahla zakhe khona ngale ewange but he is coming back. Masudu
Mina mnandi mdala.
uyiswi
Ngithembe.
namhla uthe usha umthokazi uthi uyayilinde ukuchazini.
Hayi ubuhle bethu.
Kusho ukuthi ukuchazile uyayilinde ngabona kulezi.
Hayi ngichazile mdala abe kumnandi ebhoreni.
Ngizakubuza omunye umbuzo sesiphakathi. Buthozi
Hola,
uyiswi bro.
Scoopman love.
Mna fresh clean.
Whip is always
Mnandest. Awufaka savereza?
awufamda
Konke fresh mnandi.
hayi akumnandi this week ithe sihlale lathi sibakhangela besithi abasiboni amafesi
Awule lekebe zibafayele ecezini.
lekebe hayi ufuna bembone si nje abantu abalabo aphezulu athi bonke
Ufuba bona smart isibali. Nice one majensi. Yazi ngiyabona engage labantu lapha ku comment section. Butho they are doing well. Savereza lo Masudu haya zisashayisa ngabantu. Talk to people gents. Abantu bakhomenta but you are not talking to them. Kulomunye othiwa umndebere akafuna ukuzwa ngoMasudu. Umndebere number 1 fela lethi vele I'm here for Masudu. uMasudu ngambona ukuthi ngamphendula umndebere. Akamphendule ungayenzi njalo. Bingelela umndebere nje.
Mdebere. Wathi umdebere. Sharp mdebere.
Uyakuncanywa.
La umncanywa kakhulu.
Ngafuna ukuze umndebere wathi abantu bekhuluma lapha bathi hayi gents belinqali nje so lifuku ifula house abantu bonke begwale kumnandi njani. But anyway umachisa abamphange off ganethi la uthe usaqedisa ukuthwala impahla zakhe ewangi. I'm sure uyaphenduka next week. Gents, a lot happened this past week. Kunenge singaqalisa ngaphi? Siqalise ngaphi butho?
ngokuwina kwe-chicken in.
Asazithena. Jo
kudele yatopola
aletopo
Chomolile phansi.
aletopo iqhuti. Siqalise ngaje.
Asiqasele market charges nalona sibabonile.
Saturdays.
I-effect ya-market charges ukukhwela kwa-market charges because i-PSL siqalisile and as we have said ukuthi khona it was a noble thing ukuthi of course ngokubona kwabo bakwenza bengazange ba-consulta first bakhangela umumo and bakwenza belengqondo engekho bad belengqondo yokuthi be-support ama-clubs to survive, to sustain so that they can run their day to day. But now nxa usukhangela ukuthi ama-games angenwayo kuphela ngawo i-Highlanders Dynamos eScotland la sibonile nge-Friday it wasn't that good, it was shaky. I-FC Platinum layo ingani Fenerbahce engcono it was shaky. I-Chicken Inn akhanethoko engubonileyo akunjabulisanga elokuzenini eLufefe. Sorry, APF it was better ngathi abeselufefe because you consider i-cost yokuya i-stadium, i-cost yokubhadala amapolisa, i-cost yokushare le pesi yokuremita ku-PSL, then bese kusala khona okuyingcoswana okuseleyo kulabantu elifuzelani libabhadale maybe ama-cashier fuze ebhadalwe ama-media labana abakhulumayo baqhatshileyo bafuze bebhadalwe khonapho kwena le mali encane and estadium besingafiki even 500.
but
Nxa sisiya ku-500 sithi too much. Sithi too much. Bengikhangile nxa singabayi 500 kuyaba ngcono.
Hayi,
So nxa simele than 100, which is 500 by 5 is so much $500, which is paid.
500 avana ukhipha u0.
but also good thing is savele ku-chicken in i-chicken in phela nxa ingena abantu estadium iyabhula
Ichaya lobila.
ngabe ukuthi bona ibaba right of benefit ama-into ngabona from but at least what I'm happy nge-into zenza chicken in ukuthi they picked up iform from i-draw yokudlala into kungela ama-supporters lapho bona khona ukuthi ubudwa iqiniso ukuthi ama-supporters ale-effect this time around bebelama-supporters noma adengene ama-$5 bakwanisile ukuthi benjani bewin so uthi ujenza ukuthi ama-supporters i-team singaba khona but they play a big role when it comes to ukuba
lama-support
like uproduce ama-results kahle kahle.
but on a serious note I think it really took a knock especially on the fans into le lokhuzeni ama-gate charges
Yeah, into ama-gate charges i-affect kakhulu ama-clubs now more than it affects ama-fans because i-club yes to survive nxa kukuthi $2 liphusha ama-volumes you find that if ungathi $2 kuba labantu abangu-100 le-200 ungathi $3 kuba labantu abangu-100 le-300 but ungathi $5 kuba labantu abangu-50 yabule mali
yabule 250 image zakho yizo ongazazikhipha ngawo
ngisho yabule 250 but ukuze bebuye bebe ngu-50 bafika yini
abafiki
that's where my point is now.
Point yakho but at the same time kulabantu abanjengabo umgijimi umzwe sithi ibhora leli ngabe libe yi-10 ele-Dynamos liyayilinda
mina
Like mina umgijimi la emayelali sizamtshela one thing anjo. Yabona umuntu kumele usukele phansi ubekwazi umuntu oswela i-R5 but olesifiso sokuyangena. Yabona kunje mina I can say $5 give me right. Ngiyakhona ukuyangena mina nje. But what about umuntu lwana oswela i-R5? Yabona? So ikwamele bekukhangela umgijimi wena ma u-afford umgijima suthi abantu ba-afford njalo akubone i-difference between ukuthi uthe $5 ndlaqala kuyi-$3 bekunjani. Remember kulenye into abantu abamele beyinotice le PSL emele inotice ungalanda abafuthi abantu bayibhora balithanda ungalanda i-social mbulande abo D1 uyathola kugcwele njengawe ukhulume nge-White City bekugcwele full capacity which means lo muntu ngathi $2 ibhora obvious thina ku chicken in ade sizahamba thina sikwazi sivukele eHarare kasi sizahamba ku chicken in just siya having fun supporting yabona but ungathi $5 sasichetele emuva.
Yeah, yabona i-leadership what i-leadership as a leader you don't say what umgijima ukhulumileyo
kumbe umgijimi lapha uchazwe libhora wathi ibhora leli
but
ngabe
even though
uchazwe ama-results
even though and look at it nxa sikhala sina sinje silapha sonke silapha singu-4 mina akula game elingangehlula ukuthi ngihambe ngiyelibukela nge-$5 not ukuthi nyabe ndayo imali esikhwameni mina I'm well connected kubangani abaningi abakwazi ukudlala ibhora nxa kuyilanga nami ndidlala umasuthi uthi mfuke yabukela ibhora ngice $5 umasuthi yanike $5 engihambe ngiyebukela but what about umuntu ongela i-connection uthi ecela kumasuthi kuyabukela ibhora you understand so when you are talking like this asisenzeli thina sozuswele ebhoreni sikhala siphakathi njenge-ambulance okwakhulunywa lokhu nini ukuthi khona sikhala siphakathi but thina sifuna ukuthi nxa sikhala sinjalo sikhale sibe baningi eground ibhora okuchaza vele ebhoreni ukhona kanti siphikisane senze njani kuyachaza kongena but nxa ngingedwa ebhoreni awuchazi nxa singu 2 3 4 awuchazi ngoba singaba ngu4 sibe nombono ofana nayo but siyafuna omunye nombono ochene sike siphikisane sikhulume nge-incident enzakele ebhoreni khona kana kuyachaza ebhoreni so
line wotsana beli bangaki
nawe siyi-7 nazi you know what I usually
7 abe-Chiefs
7 abe-Chiefs
bona be-Agama
abe-Agama maybe they were 100 something maybe abanye babedotshiwe ezinkomponzo zanezemamayini but what can I say mina when it comes to issue prize yebhora le abantu they should not speak from a privileged perspective abantu abakhulume into ekhona ku-reality into ekhona ku-ground so ukuthi khathesi uyabukwazi ukuthi if asiyali ibhora lakhwela before ukhwela kwe-fuel, but zonke lezi zinto kuyamele be-review izinto bethathe njenge-structure sabo lama-stakeholders abo. Lokhu thing sokudinga i-emergency meeting straight ukuthi hayi biyanini lapha ngathi zidaziphuma
silungisise 1 2
because
3
khathesi ngakutshela ukuthi umuntu naye ahambe eHarare ukusuka la useHarare kuthiwe $35 uphinde ufike ngalo ubhadale $5
uza kudla
unathe
unathe
anti yokwazi futhi lamanzi eHarare amanye abe nganatheki
Ah,
somele
phela-
uthwala wakho.
ayenzi
So hayi into zangikhona hayi
I think PSL might review
Yeah, that's
at the end of
and
the
that's
day
the-
they
that's
will
an-
review
that's an
because
assumption.
ema-stadium bekungela bantu
That's
honest
that's an assumption which is not most probably to happen. They would think they will maintain $5 yabo lana.
amboni ukuthi bazayimaintain
Trust me, I know these guys.
Mbona wathi bebukele kuma-stadiums ukuthi kwenzakale.
hayi butho ukhangele midweek to be actually worse
It is definitely going to be worse.
midweek yabe kuworse
Abalandeli bebhosi abayithandayo bona bana babe semsebenzini. Ayisiyo yonke imisebenzi ezarelease abantu, ayisiyo yonke imisebenzi ebalekekayo.
most of the people ngama-hustlers
besides umsebenzi abantu ngama-hustler nje abaningi
economic situation le umuntu uzazitshela ukuthi umuntu odlala ibhora la usemsebenzini so lami ukuthi ngishiye umsebenzi uphinde wena ukhiphe enye
Enye
imali
imali
futhi emsebenzini
enengi.
wakho wena le so nisicelo sethu ukuthi i-PSL nako ukuthi ngabe kuthiwa kuyavuma sibili ukuthi sabe
review.
singelawo amandla
Amandla
bayibisele
silawo.
ku-$3
amanje azithi ama-stakeholders
sizakuthini ibhora siyalithanda sokumele sikhale sihamba nje ama-ambulensi sisiye ebhoreni
hamba sisahamba but kumele sibe sikhuluma like ama-platforms enjengeyethu sibe sikhuluma sibatshela sibatheke beze bezwe ukuthi no ama-funds mohle ayibhora akhala because baningi abantu abakhalayo like uMasudi was saying bese-White City over the weekend bekugcwele bra
it was free
not for the fact ukuthi bekuyimahara per se but abantu bebe ngafisa ukuyabukela even i-chicken
Abalandeli ukwenza abantu.
but
ngomumo bakhetha ukuthi ngcono sebukela idibu lamadibuna you understand
Ikhathesi ungabiza umuntu ukuthi ngene etown khathesi ngene etown.
ngangeni umuntu
Ungena nzima because akala mali. So uthi
ngangeni
ungene town.
umuntu.
Wathi mawukugada usiyabukela ibhoro uphinde ukhiphe futhi enye imali.
Yeah, like mina mbone igame versus Highlanders and Dynamos. Labana abantu athi ngeke ukuthi bale mali. Hayi, abana mali. You know, kokhana ukuthi Highlanders versus Dynamos, anjho. Kubuya kawani, kuyabe ngani it's like a Christmas. Ngeke ukuthi abantu bale mali ubajaje ngeChristmas. Uthi abantu laba le mali laba kade besidla so mana sibakhwezile what no iPSL yajaja according to Christmas. Fana ukuthi umuntu eshop ekhweze ama prizes akhe bona abantu bethenga ngeChristmas. No. Yeah, that's the worst thing abayenzayo la. Izolo vele khona phana besihambe ilo bantu singena la wena mgijima okhuluma njalo nje. Besingenile party party besizwa ubuhlungu ngakho kanti vele it's a must Highland kumele singene kodwa singayekelelana but wonke umuntu othi buhlungu uyathola umuntu othi ngena khona pha endlini ufika watheba ngempita kumbe kwasweleke ukudla but umanage uthi hayi but mfuku uyangena abanathayo izolo balele besopa.
eish
i-PSL sifana no-headmaster ukuthi yalitshela ukuthi January imali ye-fees yafunakala anti nalaliwosi izulesini
speaking about ilokhu i-southern region ngiyayizwa le ama-prize and silesifiso sokuthi i-PSL izasizwa kuphela at the end of the day bese nithathe e-White City ngiyahle ngakhumbula ukuthi kule i-southern region isithiwa yi-Pacific Breeze southern region sokule sponsor gents sokule sponsor I think Chris Mtungwazi the executive yakhe they've done something because I don't remember mina i-southern region ile sponsor.
Yeah, I think now we can get imali yakhona is 37,000 which is a little money to sponsor for i-Lausanne club but
I-league.
rather but when you go back usukukhangela ngelihlo elibanzi usubona ukuthi khona ever since kwaba le division 1 ku southern region there's never been a sponsor
Bongani social.
bongani social so we say thumbs up even it's rare ukuthi uzothola khona abathenga ama-kit for every team and
I
so
don't
forth.
think even ku-PSL kuyenza
Akwenzakala kana so which is something esithi nxa sisola sithi ncane labana abasolayo asidingeni into eningi yakhona sibona because this one has came in started a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with a step. This is the step in the right direction.
Exactly.
So starting from here now, you're set 7. Or we are very maybe 38. Olandla is 39 sesefika phezulu.
But uzaqinile ubona ukuthi bafaka imali eningi ngakhoza ukuthi ama-kit bathengela 18 teams. Ama-team abe-kitted from i-Pacific Breeze.
Ndiyabona enye into futhi enhlala ngiyikhuluma mina ukuthi if i-brand yenu ingaba disciplined kumbe ama-executive members kumbe ama-stakeholders yenu ebe disciplined because ungakhanyela so far angikwazi ukuthi for how many seasons i-southern region lokhu zenini ayizange haba ngathi umbiba le-scandal kumbe uthini compared to
Ama-leagues.
amanye ama-regions so utshengisa ukuthi lina lingabehave properly corporate brands will also want to what
They are attract-
corporate to
Upartner lana.
to partner with you because lina lani labe linjani into labe liyenza babe bonke hayi into le
Kule potential.
ama-principles lani
Kule potential.
Yeah.
And yena lana i-top 4. I-top 4 leya idlalo yena lana idibula matibula. Inka iwine 2 grama i-cup. Yebo nxa sikhuluma you understand ingani imali encane but as you said butho i-journey of 1,000 it begins with a single step. Kumele sibachayeleni izandla majensi ngomsebenzi abawenzayo in trying to bring and ngiyakhuluma lo Luphahla ungayicheka khona bama interview yakhe khona. uLuphahla uthi basakhuluma lamanye ama companies kungaba lamanye ama cup during i-season phezulu kwemuntu umuntu apha le.
Yeah, yabona khona kusho even 2000 nxa incane nje it saves and pushes a long way because khathesi kule issue yama drugs and substance abuse. So by that moment in time, those 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, people being engaged and occupied, kureducile lokhu zenini
Kakhulu.
in consumption of drugs because there's something which can keep them busy and forget a little bit about that. So it's not about how much you have, it's about the impact you make ngalokho okuncane lakho.
Kakhulu.
Inkinga ukuthi sifuna ukusebenzisa okuningi ukuthi siyenze impact, but it's not all about that always. Asisebenziseni okuncane silakho sichintshe the society. We are happy and grateful for the Pacific and anyone else abadibula matibula sponsors for what they've done, and I believe ukuthi kona God willing is going to bless them ekukhulisa izikhwama zabo bazangezelela ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Kakhulu even i-corporate nxa bekhona abanye be-corporate ababukela lolu hlelo please lathi lingasikhohlwa. Aparole serious duty lathi lingasikhohlwa. Hayi kakhulu. Hawa sayifuna. Noma yini.
noma yini lo
Ngabe
ngicathulo sitshintshe
ngabe thola sishaye ubuhle bamahlaba ezulu. Yabona i-brand yethu pass and move.
we are open for a sponsorship lengahambeli khatshana
Eh
bazafaka amanamba ukuthi na ufuna usicontacta
vele abasoze bayekela. Speaking about amanamba mbona amanamba kaMarinos Marinos ufuna ukukhuluma naye
afi-1 ngeke ngizwisise ukuthi lo mnethi babangani simxolisele umnethi simxolisele because so far ku-national team yeZimbabwe is the only informed player, most informed player esilayo, but is not even selected.
has been informed for a while. Mnethi
Andukwaba le injury
from
bamuhambisa kuParis wafika wathontisela i-team iwina khona ngani. Performance yakhe lanxa ingawinanga is superb, but dololo
isquad sikaMarinos sibona nje Saveriza. Uzamani kukhona ukubona ukuthi uyakuzama let's siyaparticipate just to give our viewers context. Marinos ubiza isquad sakhe siyadlala ku 4 Nations le yabise Botswana as from 23 and 23 28 to
mina vele iproblem ukuthi uma ucoach lo yena uthini angikwazi ukuthi he doesn't walk the talk kahle vele because unganilalela kule uyena uthe uselect isquad sakhe based on iform yabani then iform asazi ukuthi now ya select abantu abangadlaliyo njabo nakamba labantu abadlama 1 game umuntu vele not even the one game uselect umuntu adengela club because umbheba ube akasayini yes but ubiziwe la esquadini then abantu ade licawunti bengababona bele potential sebevalelwa phandle futhi ngingasabali kumnetsi kuphela even lamanye ama juniors
maningi kakhulu
abantu ade kuthiwa le future lokhuzeni future prospect siyababona
Walter Msona phela ngiyakhumbula laphana issue yecamp ngomunye phela esimkhohlwayo kabizwanga
even ochakuchuchi
uchakuchichi wamthatha wambala ku-AFCON esithi uyafundiswa ufundiswa ukuthi ebizo engasabizwa futhi yabona into basuthi into lesasikhuluma ngala phela ukuthi nganithiwa kulokunye bekuyenzakala ukuthi because umfana lona I believe is going for trials
uyakutry matras April
uyongwa-trials I think Red Bull Salzburg
I think they mentioned 5 countries
5 countries
5 countries
but Red Bull Salzburg is one of the teams that is going into ipoint eyakhulunywa nguMasudi ukuthi umfana lo bebizelwe ukuthi amanye amaklabhu ephonga umkhangela ukumlunguza asewuyikho khona kana bakhuluma ukuthi uyafundiswa bebe-marketa in a way
Yabona ibhora singalidlala njengokuthi ngendlela sisikhuluma ngalo liyafa. Kuya ngokuthi ngubani lemali. Because umfana ubehambiswa abantu awale mali uhambe emarket. Semarketiwe khangela. Because kube kwahambiswe kule ingqondo lana ukuthi sifuna ukuthi kube ngama players eZimbabwe befunda kumaqini. Kube manje bababo bibizile. Kube ama juniors siyabona. But ucoach vele hayi sofa ngesquad sakhe lesi sonke
asiyali ucoach yena uthi wenza ama experiment njenge scientist but kulamanye ama experiment abefuna ama main catalyst now experiment yabo
alengaba incane
fana lokuthi ikhathesi sithi all right njengo teacher we science na endlela azibeka ngayo ufuna ukwenza photosynthesis kodwa uvala njani ilanga elingumnetsi izayenza njani experiment ukuthi iphumelele
but khanyela i-experiment yakhe yokuqala kaMaswanisi
yasibula
vele kuhle kukhanya ukuthi
big time
le science yakhona iwrong
interview ngayibukela bengikhuluma bembuza ngendaba akusichazele ngescience uthi khona nyabe ngikhangela into enye team idlala njani ngikhangela into ama players ethu adlala njani then bese ngithatha umuntu ozabe le energy ehambelana nale but you cannot tell ukuthi khona what kind of energy umuntu azayiproduce on the game somebody uyakufika elapse nge-match day but I don't see the reason why umsona omncane uWalter engekho ku-national team I don't see the reason why umnetsi engekho ku-national team because if it was so ngabo wonke ababizwa ama-local based so that he can go and assist because silechani manje sabe singena even i-team khona yaqasa ubize enye 50 futhi ziyekempa khona ngale wasting resources for nothing
yabo
khona into ezisibuhlungu ukuthi iZimbabwe iyahamba i-national team ikaptainwa ngumuntu ongadlaliyo yethu wena ufaka istatement sokuthi ufaka abantu abaseforming one umbeba ngowethu sibili thina beHighlander but usithe sibiza isquad lesa umbeba athi engakadlali bena kade ngala club engakasayini but wona ubususikhuluma ngelokho uzini sibe sikuboza ukuthi hayi chuthi vele ucoach yena ngokwakhe vele kakho
but abaqalisi phela khona vele ukwenza lo urumbani was it Rusike ngesikhathi sika Rusike la kwabizwe squad numerous times engela club so asazi ukuthi kubizwa based on what
so khona kunjekisela something saveriza ukuthi kulabanye abantu abahlala bele influence over our national team coaches
exactly
and okunye mina I don't have any bad blood towards ama international coaches but what I can tell you one umuntu kangasuki lapha asuka khona ebuye ezoxabana lo muntu amtholileyo khona apho elizweni is not in only Zimbabwe kuphela even ngakhale South Africa kule similar case eka Thembinkosi Lodge lo Hugo Bruce that's unprofessional what if for coach we are someone okumele ukuthi wonke umuntu
umnike chance
wena umnike chance to shine but wena nawe abusuvalela abantu phandle asiphumi imethi zangikhona
but from me sorry
ngoba vele lapha ngazizama ukuthi khona ekunike reason bani ukuthi umnetsi indaba engambizanga kuyatshengisa ukule beef ube because umnetsi qualifies for everything. Umnetsi kazange yalo ukuthi ufuna ukubizwa. Mina amvumelana nomna wakhe sithi khona umnetsi umbehlobo sakhe umbona wakhe sithi khona umnetsi has sacrificed a lot for this team, for this nation.
Asomanga.
Kungangcono retire kuphela ku national team. It's allowed ka retire ku national team ehlale kwazi ngikho. But ngenxa yothando is patriotic kakwanisa ukukwenza.
Mina mphinde mvumela lo asho ukuthi maybe kule something behind kulabantu abale influence ukuthi maybe ucoach yena singakuswela kakhulu coach maybe utsheli ukuthi wena lo muntu ukhulume ukhumbula ukuthi umnetsi into yamhlaza phansi ukwakhuluma wathi abafana bahola imali encane. Yeah, awuliqiniso nje. There's nothing to do with the coach nje. It's nothing to do with the coach. But maybe kwaso affect abantu abayiba bale influence. Yiba bathe wena coach ungambizi lo muntu. So singakusolo maybe
But
coach.
as it is khalezani siyasikhalela ukuthi nasibuiltela from grassroots sibuilta from grassroots besikhalela ukuthi kuzabizwa even ama juniors wona la ama under 20 kumbe ama under 23 cause khalesi igoal yethu mu 2028 nale city sifuna ukuyi-co-host imfusi week siza manage kunjani ukuyakha istadium the likes of Vusangwenya Ochiweta Ochikukuchi Nathan Chakuchichi Nathan Mtasa ngabantu esibabonayo ukuthi ngabafana abancane abanjani
Potential.
got the potential
Nangu umongameli
othi
wabo.
nampo mongameli antu yabona ukuthi abantu bengaphiwa game time bethole le spotlight bakwanisa kunjani ukushayina yabo but ungafuna ukuthi ublock ubhesa ngabantu asebekhulile umuntu yena lo esikhuluma ngaye khathi yesiye for instance uNakamba 2028 uzablock edlala yena active kumbe siyabe sesibuilda futhi sizabe sesibuilda
Njalo ngathi ngadlali manje ngikhuluma ngo
maybe uza revive i-career eBotswana
maybe mdala ngakhuluma maybe mdala abasikhuluma ngabantu to current form mdala abasikhuluma sifuna ukudlala national team lo muntu kadlali
siyabona phela njengoba le island yahamba eBotswana yabe singathi singa so sithi maybe la uyabuya sengcono sevele eBotswana
But alright, James, for me, squad esibiziwe. Do you think we're going forward or see labana bacha
Isquad esibizwe is always about iproblem engayitsho ngakhuluma ngesquad esibizwe ukuthi silenkinga ukuthi kona association it is like begging ama players to play for the national team abangafuni ukudlala for the national team and snapping abafuna ukudlala le national team bahamba besiyancenga bebhoda khona encenga ongafana ongafuniyo akufuna ukekele
uthi
ni
Trey yes Trey
buya bani abachiyane lapho bizamaningi amatsha khona apha bizwe ngabo
nxa ukhuluma so mbona uMichael Boni uMichael Boni labana babizwe so kwayenzani ku squad
at least lo behleze bizwe isikhathi esiningi
bebuya but
Bebuya.
la
Uyithi-
kwaba ngathi sokulomsindo yikho sikhe sambona athi uyanyamalala asiyazi maybe balabo mapiramidi bayabuya labo benjani
something.
besenzela ama-wonders
asiyalo ukuthi bazadlala but into engiyalayo ukuthi kona
but are they doing anything to improve in
they're not-
squad
they're not
kulabafana because I always say ngizaphenduka ipoint le ngizayifaka sesikhuluma nge-Islanders le Dynamos ngizayiphinda futhi ungachecka abafana athi abadlala ku-Islanders but they are showing ukuthi first and foremost they love the pitch. That's the first and most important thing. Ngumuntu nxa limbiza uMichael Boni balungisisile sizafika khona ngikhulumela ukuthi ama-players abo Michael Boni angamboni dying for ukuthi umuntu nxa ibiziwe sibili ukuthi ufake i-effort la ngabantu abana babuya ukuthi ndothika amabhox ukuthi lami le national cape le international cape you understand into ipoint engisho asomuntu wano like umnetsi wayesikhala ngomnetsi umnetsi jeke ulishuwa die for he has showed us is ngama-character njengabo Khazandi wawumbona ukuthi umuntu lo vele nxa ibiziwe ku-squad akabuya ngozoyenza koba umbulo
unlike Peter Ndlovu baba bonke
You understand?
omnethu uthi they are dying Peter Ndlovu keep imali yabo benze so for a national team lawo ukuthi umuntu lo basimfaka phakathi but udlalela ukhathi ule heart yakhe
ilizwe ngiyalithanda.
into le total iyagcina ikhipha umshweki elokhuzenini vele umshweki wahlwa angasabi le interest
Anjabo?
wahlwa azimela wazidlela imali yakhe eChina khona.
Exactly my bra. Eish.
so mina vele majens ipoint imbuzo wakho mina ngithi isikwasi eZimbabwe we are not going forward fana le ndwangu lana lapha ifake lapha iqhamulo kunifake la siyakhithiza siyafaka we are not going forward
sikudlala.
sipronominate sifaka chakushish baby la lokho esifana nje.
Hey. Nice bed yazi ubuhlungu njalo. Then angikwazi ukuthi sekumphula umoya njani nje. Hayi into yesquad lezi ubuhlungu. Uyabona ithanda ilizwe lakho ngutshele manga Savereza. But ucina uthanyulwa ngezinye izinto ende labantu abaphetheyo phambili uMagwizi bengicela ukuthi mephenquza ngenela imbone sesithi sekhuza into eyenzakalayo.
Kubilliard kwawo bamncenga ubilliard.
Eseretire.
Billiard seretire futhi okwesi2. I think seretire okwesi2
Seretire.
So why waste ukuzehlisa? Why waste ukuzehlisa for umuntu vele yabe ngafuni? Kulothi lingabe lihamba lezehlisa lithatha umuntu okufona.
Serious ofuna ed impact.
And uyabona enye into kule ukuthi ucoach lo yena ngesquad sakhe esasibuildilela. I think mina vele yena ubizela abantu u10 ufuna ukuyawina. Yena ubizela abantu ufuna ukuyawina akafuna ukuassess abantu.
Take formations iZambia, iBotswana, iZimbabwe leMalawi. Uyabuchazwa kuyini
When usuthu keeping nuclear, for ama games afuna impopho yamanzi when
befike bekudle futhi.
befike bekudle.
Uyabona?
Ngoba uzehluleka phela ukumixa abantu bakho kuhle.
Thina sifuna udevelop.
Problem uyikumisa udoli bakhe. Team is not like it ama players asile. Sila ama players but ucoach mina side time kadesi we call out to coach for being semposa senselinye ba.
Whatever he is.
For being a scientist instead of being a football coach.
Ubizwe abafana awuthi weta wabizwa abafana lokuzeni nanku manje uchile unavaya soccer star of the year top goal scorer umthile but udlala leBotswana khona ba
players with potential. Sikhuluma abafana uJunior Makonike baningi abafana but well siza ukuthini gents asikhangele lina session masinya sikhangele iPSL ama games second games adlaliwe siqase ngeFriday kwini singakakhangela ama games wona ngokwawo kwini sikubonile the highlights of ama games lawo adlaliwe from Friday up to
game ngeFriday yona ngokwayo it came in and shows ukuthi Ingezi Platinum came to mean business regardless of ama restrictions yaphiwayo FIFA they are showing then they mean business. Ingezi Platinum igcine futhi ibanjelelwa. That was to me not a penalty. That was to me not a
khona
penalty.
besakhuluma manje liyabhowa igame mana sithi so Savereza akula bhora elibhowayo ukuthi sisihlele somunye uthi Ingezi siwina 1-0 hayi vele kuba ngani sibukela idelay yabona
uyakwazi ngokukhuluma so
kwenzakala exactly ina liyani into abantu debeyiso
Ekhuluma lapha engangezi la mbukela.
exactly.
Khona ayipheli nje iScotland yaphi penalty.
umuntu wakhuluma njalo kumbe kwakhuluma abantu abayi6
Into lana yasibuhlungu.
hayi buhlungu nje.
People are now starting to doubt even ukulokhuza uba trustworthy kwama referees. Because so ngathi kumbe kule third end kuwo wonke ama games. I saw Scotland yodwa ngaba iScotland ngaba iHighlander into yangikhona so siba ngathi ngokuyiculture nje asazi ukuthi ifair play isizasebenza so 10
yazi masuthi ngayikhuluma so I think umenzi sathi sihleze sikhuluma sithi Ingezi yalid wathi hayi man ubona iScotland yaphi ipenalty awuhlala nga 5 minutes yawathi so into le isebantwini abaningi
It's not predictable.
It's not predictable.
Abantu asibukele African movie. iAfrican movie ukwazi vele lo qase ekhala ngoza chabo.
Ngacela ngoje. Baba loyala ngacela ngoje.
So
agcine confess
iyacela confuse
lesopi one day omunye uzaba lesibindi sokuthi confess ukuthi hayi laphana mina kumbe yimi enganisithi bengenze so
yabona still remember ukuthi ku-kit launch lokuzeni no-PSO CEO wathini
uRodwell Thabo.
wakhuluma ngamarefu wathi khona ulesifiso sokuthi amarefu erefulelayo kuhle ukuthi khona abantu bengakhali ngamarefu sonke isikhathi and that's the thing affect ibhola lethu.
But was it a penalty though?
It wasn't a penalty.
It
It wasn't.
was a 2 years penalty.
It wasn't.
Uthini Severeza wayibona?
Ividiyo ngakuthumezela ividiyo. It wasn't a penalty.
njengoba abantu bevela ku-off season maybe ube kako-physical balance
Ividiyo
And
ngayibo
two, and two, you cannot charge a penalty from that distance as a referee. Referee was far away from that distance. Wakhombela ipenalty kwathatha isikhathi esithe engakhanyela kukamera. Ama-players ukuthi wazothutha lokhu ethe so uyibone njani you right even nanxa uthi usebhokisini ubone njani. You were supposed to nanxa ichajile ichaye impembe yakhe egijime ezobona umuntu usebhokisini mekakho ebhokisini.
yahlupha lokho because even la last season
Sesifuna ivise baba.
even la last season ivasi lama-stadium iyahlala ngayifaya ngikhona even la last season kwacinga uvuka umsindo egemini eScotland echickenini ngendaba zama-penalty kumbe ngcono kuhle kuyihlithi ibe yi-penalty
yona
ihle ibe yi-penalty phela ngoba
penalty
but no mfufake enye ingqondo la because sesagcina siyala nama-penalty ayiwo.
yeah
Yiko mbuzile ukuthi was it a penalty according to you guys donke?
hayi
Hayi, you've answered my question. But anyway, zagcina zidrawile 1-1.
Which is referee has decided the match. The ref is not there to decide the match. The ref is just there to officiate and let
Watching
the best team win.
Watching ucoach weLokhuzeni oyengeza khona ukhana ugcina ucoach befindiswa because is a human being uyagcina act otherwise. Anumbonile weLokhuzeni versus iMozi o-Ted1 kana uzocela ihlabisa amabhora be7 aweMozi ohlabe ngesigelo awubonanga wagwazile 7 amabhora eMozi iMozi iphi penalty wagwaza ngesigelo uthumlana andibona is emotional
and kokanti yona penalty ngapho wona i-tell1 go yabo
Bayalela.
offside but abanye abantu nabo sithi sebekukhangela sebe-analyze they were saying that was a genuine
goal.
but, yabo sazi ukuthi sokuyi-home advantage esisetshenziswa
so uyabona ukuthi ku-refereeing sokusiba le problem serious.
Sibonile that day lapha eBF iDynamos versus Islanders. iDynamos yahlohla igobhere elihle la yalo.
kuJairos
Chiri Cup lapha la yalo. So yikho khona okufana nakho urefu seberefula ngokuthi bakhayinta ama-supporters amaningi angayo imali eningi ingayo.
abangacompromise i-standard
sebhora
refu lingafanani lani lo coach le-national team siyacela
so but speaking from ama-results mbone i-Capes James. Capes means business. Capes United.
Capes mdala ihlelekile.
Capes United means
Hayi
business.
Capes yonke into yayo mdala ku-order and njalo baba abantu abana ba-serious mdala lingaba serious ngento yenu yabona wholeheartedly liyayenza into yenu.
Yiyo phela i-team yathola i-sponsorship esikhulu wedlula wonke like as I said 4 million.
i-financial
Stability brings calmness and you don't think much.
Wabona uBall Boy
and produces amali
wabona uBall Boy begqoke same the first team ikit
i-revive yama-career khanye sandiyabona into ochirinda labo sebeqale phansi umuntu sevuke khwatsho ngoba financial umuntu la yabe senjani
Yabona into ezilutshwane ezokucabanga.
but ngikhayele i-Renters anumdala lokho edlala ikho bayidla first half i-Renters la ngani idlala second half ngoba i-second half idle kanzima yikho yagcina idliwe 1-0.
i-Renters ungayikhangela that team the only problem ukuthi uTopi yadlala
yikho phela ukuthi uTopi nxa ise-ground
so uTopi yadlala but ngiphinde ngi-appreciate ukuthi the fact that uyadlala awusozothi ama-players akhe ancitshe i-winning bonus ama-players akhe aholanga he understands football from a player's point of view.
True.
And there's a boss point of view. So that is something we appreciate. phezu kwalokho futhi akadondi ukusponsor team yakhe ukusponsor
Hayi.
uyokwenza isupport ngathi bonke labantu benza njalo it was going to be good.
Yeah, ayena
Kanti
ngithandela uBenza yena sportsmanship ulaso. Yikubona ivini khathesi usedonethele i-Faith Mission Drive, one of the women football academy lokuzeni ikhombi e-whole khombi
two?
hayi one.
I-one.
I-one because team lana have produced a lot of talent but khona ukuthi babe swele ukuthi njani i-financial capacity ukuthi bebe njani
kuthiwa i-team esihlale kakhulu ku-Women's League which is not based koBulawayo or Harare.
isemtare.
So bebethwala nzima in terms of traveling. So into oyikhulumayo
Kanti yabonti laye uyayenza izinto ethule kuthiwa yini philanthropy.
i-philanthropist, yeah, i-philanthropist. Ngeliphi elinye i-result Jensi besides anuhle wavula nge-chicken nini?
Naturally. Wabona elinye results ele chicken ini nje 75% belingani li obvious ukuthi ngendlela edlala ngayo chicken ini lokuwina nje laba singawina ngoba vele ku triangle. Yabona i-results elinye lokuzene elibe lihle ngele Bulawayo Chiefs. Alonga ama results wonke alibe lihle alibe smart kakhulu because bedlale agama agama besikhulume ngayo la into bebengani bayesaba la ifika ku D1 ngale but hayi iBulawayo Chiefs so far mina kwama team wonke adlalileyo yabona hayo ebonisa alathi sethukile straight
ungacocobisi phela
sethukile
sela nto ubukhona ubuhambelo wayibona live ngiyabona usuzahamba ukuthi bathi chicken iBulawayo Chiefs yadlala
hayi into ekhona iBulawayo Chiefs nalitshela one thing madoda and izayikhuluma isizini iziyephela yahlala ngiyikhuluma iBulawayo Chiefs ilokhu igcine istandard sayo vele soyesiyane esokuwina from D1 lapho kwakungathi kuyalenka khona managed ukuthi ivala amagap lawa so yonke into lani water tight vele ama team la week nje abo Dynamos sebengathelwa induku bengayela ukuqinisa sibe
wahle icambi team elidlala la next
midweek andizabe sibhekene lesopthi sibile kuyaphuma njalo and enye into mina futhi engiyithandileyo uJoel Luphahla got first win
platinum
2-0
FC Platinum yeah
sesibuyele ukutshengiseni ukuthi awudingi ukuthi uzube lo cafe ukuthi uzube lana le yabo
ama results are sharp
because playing against Manica Diamonds one of those tightly contending teams but managed to win against the team enjalo so yabona ukuthi
but iManica ngani this season uSwazi ezaluthola iManica hayi iManica ngani this season hayi iManica hayi this season uSwazi ezaluthola
hayi yaqondisa
ayikatholi phela ipoint iManica yakwazi yadlwa Simba first game sebe ante lokho ekukhwele 2 is at 3 but speaking to the abantu bebela amabizo amaningi abantu bakhala bathi singayibiza iBattle of Zimbabwe what kuningi mana abantu odibe kutsho semphenduka ku igame odiwe kiyo Buddhas uhambile wayibukela live and direct eRufaro Highlanders versus Dynamos finish 2-2 yazi ngithembona it's unfortunate alibukela ngalonke ibhora lelana bense eYCD Stadium mbukele ilokhuzeni inkayi lewange ukudibula matibula elokhuzeni ifinal but engubonile kuma highlights that's the game that we esiyaziyo that we know Highlanders versus Dynamos
thina ezama Highlanders so far we are happy to see ibhora lihle iHighlanders from ibhora selibuildwa selikhanti libhora alisabukela ufinder lana imbasambasa hayi kaDijongu liyana elikasande marimo kawuthiwa bobande lana kuthiwa uMberi Thwan Boramberi hayi kalunga lapha iHighlanders ibidlala ibhora elihle for first time laphana mina ngasho ngathi ezilongu kulomkhokheli kunomshoza baba kulomshozi
wathi abalekele nje befuna ukumqala kanti wathi uqamba umkhokheli ubonga phela ukuthi umkoma bench
ngiyabona ukuthi lizathi umkoma bench thina vele savele sakwazi ukuthi remember umkoma bench bengakambizi kusaselo Senong kuthiwa umkhokheli uyi-assistant like azange sithi uSenong hayi sathi as long kulomkhokheli ibhora umkhokheli uzabonisa i-ground football ibhora i-carpet lena esilazi kubo Barcelona sibili English soccer but so far hayi siyalibona even though hey hayi izolo nje
ngifuna ukufaka umbuzo kuwe ungaka-edi butho okukhulumayo livumela because kulo head coach
ukuthi inkinga yabantu bebhoso bengazonda umuntu abakwanisi uku-appreciate lapha yenze khona kuhle sebecatsha ngomkhokheli ukuthi umkhokheli cannot override ucoach
u-head coach
u-head coach ucoach is the one who comes with the ideas yena i-assist so inxa libona ibhora linanangeni kacoach ngamkomabhentshi asori kamkhokheli
Europe standard
asori kamkhokheli
vuma ntana
mina lapho ngasho ukuthi final say ngikamkoma Bhenji anjho but introduction kamkhokheli kungakafaki laba I don't take under beef umbandla blood lo Bhenji idlongu nguSenong azange ngisho lutho kuSenong ngathi as long kulomkhokheli kuSenong umkhokheli uzasibonisa ibhola because umkhokheli we know from thina siyabukela abo D1 siyawazi ibhola lakhe lihle so mase sibona njalo siyabonga le partnership yabo boyithu but hayi
lo suphu ungakhuli
lo suphu
leso ngathi ibhora likamkhokheli yilo lapha umkhokheli phela i-team yakhe besi-relegative from D1 yaphenduka ku D2 ngemiracle yaphenduka ku D1 ngemiracle besi-relegative
but
thina let's just learn to appreciate into enjani mina I think on behalf of Islanders fans even noma ngiwe-Chiefs give Marwaru time sibone ukuthi uzaproduce ama-results anjani only time will tell as long i-team ingayifight i-relegation for now mpheni i-breathing space ecabange kuhle lizamangala umuntu selenzela izinto ezi-immaculate
ngawakho uMarwaru because whatever team ingaluzwa kusola uMarwaru ngawina u-appreciate uMarwaru yabo
uqeda ukuthini wena
yikho phela kade sibuya khona besithi ungagijimela ukuthi umkhokheli ubonga ukuthi yamkoma wona bosubalekele ukuthi umkoma Bhenji
ukuthi lithi umkomo ulenzela kuhle
umkoma Bhenji is doing well
so
far
last season laba la main draws besides the 4 wins
last season 13 or 14
13 draws
13 draws
sebele 2
manje so far sesele 2
sebele 2 ama-draw uzama ukuthini ngama-draw
hayi mina angikhulumela ukuthi umkhokheli asimpheni isikhathi badroba kuhle
ngani ngama-draws
iyalenda vembo wathi sokumele even iphithele u-grade 0 ngoba iyadweba right idrawa kuhle
thina sithe khona nge-Wednesday it's a walkover kuMozi igame esihamba siyayibukela seyenza ukuchaze ngebulawayo Chiefs thina ethu siyakwazi ukuthi deal done ukudlala lokhana nje kuyadlala hayi thina sikhuluma ngebhora i-Islanders selidlala
kufaka ama-fixtures ababidi njengoba khansi isiqidi
hayi
ama-results bazafaka
besafuna ukukhuluma yilokho ezeni i-first win for Yadrog
yes
uKhayindu
away from home
lo Naval seem like lokho engaluzanga iform but kuyamalisa na ukuthi umuntu onjalo ngeke ukubizwa national team
bra
yawo
it's bad
so far vele wonke ama-team akhanti avela ku-D1 la aperforma kuhle ngaphandle kwe-Agama asazi ukuthi
Chiefs 4 points Adrog 4 points Agama ayithini bikhona
Agama kunzima
ayikatholi ipoint yevela sikhuluma ngavela ku-D1 budas
nilalele
sukhana ukitshikenini
and le Hunters ukuba
sawuhambisa echikenini yethola
le Hunters ukuba le 2 points
i-Hunters
ngakhangela ama-teams esidlale lawan ama-teams vele ababekhalela ukuthi maybe
ngabe ile
0 points ngabe la ifanana le Agama but due to strength se-team maybe lo coach ukacoach so far
ithiwa i-grit lani
ungayibona i-grit izolo bese beyi-green ama-face ngokuzonda
no grit
grit
so gents let's look at the midweek fixtures khabara straight Wednesday 18 March iHunters le FC Platinum eRufaro iTriangle eCapes eGibo Ingezi Platinum ile ZPC Kariba eBaobab iHardrock ile Chicken Inn eChawanda Tel 1 ile Simba Bore eAscot iHighland ile Mose Beef la ngange Wednesday asiqase ngeHunters le Platinum.
Mina so platinum I give to maybe 1-0 ku platinum or kube yi-draw 1-2 platinum ngoba ivela ku winning isasele kuyi vibe lokha iHunters la yabifuna ukudlala kahle but
iHunters being a wounded lion izazama ukuthi ihlohle kodwa ihlohlileni kanjalo mbona ngani khona uluphahla uzaqeda
These days ngano inyanga phela upredict 2-2 Buddhas
uzaqeda 2-1-2 alena iobvious ukuthi bazafuna ukuvukela kophezulu kwabanye
Anam bemvuka kubutho kona la yi2-1
for Platinum.
Platinum win but so ngaba yi2-1 3-2 but
Nambona sisonke Buddhas. I draw.
0-0.
Even a score draw 1-1 or
Kasomeli iHunters ichinje phela ihliti iHighlanders FC. Yasidraw kakhulu.
then Triangle Capes. Will Capes continue their winning run undefeated so far?
yeah continue
Kale sambona kulento engalokhosi engastop iCapes. Asazi.
as long ngahlala neChicken Inn
Asacha.
as long ngahlala neChicken Inn because ngibuke le triangle lapha
Ichike lebese lihambuliwe lina ilokhuzeni ya
Bavuka bezicunta inkukhu khona.
eChawanda.
mana sibukele
Ahle sikhayile yona iHardrock Chicken Inn.
Chicken Inn 2 at Rock 0
Hawo lesibini wathi wehlula iScotland.
Bini Chicken Inn ngiyayithanda sibila. One labana abantu sebevela ukuyawina away ngale. iHardrock 2 yabe se stadium sayo esihle iChicken Inn engasijwayelanga. Engazayo bona basijwayele lesa stadium. iChicken Inn yabe busy buka isabuka ngaba bafana isabuka istadium thithi kambe sihamba la bona berathabule. iChicken Inn ngiyayithanda nje afisa uwine yazi ngiyafisa umoya wami ukuthi uwine but atmosphere yakhona ayivumeli.
Bayibona impedi.
sadlala Sundowns eJoza ngale sikujwayele lokho
Khulume ngento ekhona sike sime
kuba into awode khona ngokudala liyana
ngeyeast.
wena abantu laba sebangocoach la abadlalayo thina sikhuluma abafana abafika bebuka lawe kunje Wednesday la ngamkhambisa instead of ukubethwa uyabebuka ama players ebuka igame uyabebuka nama bucket wathi ekebukeli na esethwele thongapheliyo wanyana namathetha khona njani. So I don't see anything
But one good thing about having ama foreigners eteamini
Like iChicken
like iChicken Inn
They're exposed
abantu labana
even
they are
to the
exposed to
stadium.
lokhuyani kuba sezitadium ezinjalo.
eh.
So asazi ukuthi uBinwell uzayifaka kuyiphi beam ngayilanga le iHardrock ngalelo langa.
uyahlohla Bino very tunes luchwane bomufaka nje ozokuhlonipha enye team
So waneka Innocent waneka Lino.
bona uScoop uyahlohla kuhlohle futhi lo kuzobhinweyo
So lapho uthi 3-1.
hayi labona bahlohle laba Donovan ngavuzisi
Ngezi Platinum Kariba.
Nambona inkezi ichicha amagetsi.
Ngezi kufomani.
ngeze yachawe emnyama
Ngeze
ba
yachicha amagetsi.
Ngezi kufoma.
Ngeze yachawe
Asazi
emnyama
kuyahlohlwa ngako ukhipho omutsha coach.
Ngezi kufoma.
Ukhipho omutsha national team
Ngukanye ethu wabisi point last weekend. Umfana na kuthi Kanye uyacoach. I-edition kamfana lo wangenisa iHunters. uClifford. Khanya uyacoach. Khay is a good coach. Ngoba sasikhala madoda sithi ingezi kuzaba nzima.
Ingezi singafight.
Bhanwe 3 seasons zingathengi anamba abantu bakufuma bayala even kubo Scotland.
baniwe ngapha
Bayala even labo Quadamini bavukile emdala kuyayilahla. Chancellor ukuthi ukublend abafana abancane abavela ku under 19 lama veteran
nge red card lana nge penalty lana it was a demoralizing but they're playing good so far.
Then tell one Simba Bora ngenye engane ifumba amadakhozi abakahlohli actually Simba Bora ayikahlohli
Draw ile this
0-0 bale win 1-0 le draw ye 0-0
Yeah,
uthini ngale game 10-1 deSimba Bora
i-10-1 iyawina 1-0
ucoach asozephinda ukuhlaba amabhora
coach yabe ngekho service suspension antu uzayibona mbe bayikhipha ngeWednesday ekuseni njengoba izinto le-communication bezehluleka
abasozobekile kumsamona hayi vini nje lami kuyimi vele ngabe namuhla so sesimchaye ngebhani
kokusamona kuya ngokuthi nguphi ucoach abanye abantu nje bali nesesike sabona eminye imsindi ivuka ubona umuntu bemekela scot free
basavele sesikhuluma i-football ngokwayo i-picture ungayekeli ukwenza njalo what if laba abafana babuyayo mase uthiwa ucoach uhlanga amabhora ayi-7 amabhora yowazi ukuthi umele adlalwa ngabafana
asokwebhora lo ke
ufana uthi ungukapteni usuqamula
uqamula suthi laba usethi kungabe le bhora why least you are the coach yabona so hayi
into ebazileyo phuma kahle
I thought people were going to learn from into ayenzakala
utake sure
but manje it seems like asazi ama frustration
akhoza ukuhlaba amabhora lesigelo mdala usifukule nga hayi
Shuthi kahle kahle wona kade sefuna le katapili uthi aqhuphula istadium bonke akuthe kungela lutho mntana
even kubuhlungu zibili but hayi ngayizinja last game yange Wednesday Islanders taking on iMoze eBarberfield Stadium
Moz 2 Islanders 0
Ndlelikaze iconfidence yakho hayi wena sakubuza nto utheswi
hayi mina swini la ngikhuluma ngakho
uthe uyavandalize
walk out
Nyame support Islanders for sure but
Tuwana Islanders win
nyame ngisupport but ngibona iMoz idlala ngibona Islanders idlala iMoz le upper end
but khathesi miyazi this time around then abablendanga njenga last season
my guy ngendlela iYislander edlale ngayo away abafana labo mongameli lo mangache phiwe ama minutes
uma ngathi mina ngambona Sanathi amanzi kuphela 90 minutes from ungena wakha kwenza
ne umbone kule game kumbe kuliya
kuyena le game le
shuthi
libona ipolitiki ehlukene
akube ngihambe lawo e-stadium
amaye ukuthi stadium sokudura phela uzayithatha ngayi $5 okumbhadalela
plus i35
ngabe $3
uyakwazi wena uthi lami ngiyifeni yakhe
ngabe
kangimpressanga what I'm trying to say it kampressa
semphendukisa ipoint lana ngithenza ukukhuluma ngayo yabona abafana labana ngendlela abadlale ngayo banjengisela ukuthi they've got the team at heart if they continue in that spirit yabona into esakhuluma ngayo nge-technical team ye-Ireland i-passion lokubisa i-culture umfana lona ngoy-number 1 i-Ireland vele bidlalwa ngabothobe number 1 the likes of Boboy Ndlovu abafana bemzilikazi makhokhoba umfana lokhuzeni Osibola mdala lendlela i-defense yenu even though ukhiphe enza mistake ureward I so wish ukuthi bengambulala ispirit bemkhiphi kumele bembisele bengabulala ispirit sona sana because bese bengani bayajela ibackline yakhe le lokuzen i-team lana bengayibiseli njalo I see Islander taking 3 points
I get your point i-Islander kanti singane sifuna ukubuyela from liyani i-Islander ka-99 to 2001 yabongozo yayidlala isilokali la abantu abale heart
i-technical team yena le
bangalandanga imali
abangalanda imali
i-technical team
yabona kokhana introduction kabo Zenzo Moyo wathi oZenzo Moyo bayithanda i-Islanders
but lokho kutsho ngiyakusho mina isikhalazo sami si1 besicela ukuthi i-Islanders kumongameli ingayenzi njengento ayenza kuchiwe
kuthi wait
Stewart siyambona
baba
thank you
baba lapha ngawuchayela izandla baba
Lapha
Stewart siyambona iyabench
thank you for that
na ukuthi phela ibale surplus ngoba bemlone bheki
u-Ash ukhulume ngokuthi sifuna abantu abale heart i-Islanders kanjalo sikhuluma boZenzo labo abantu abale
ekuba le talent lokuba le heart they are two different things
but hayi
ngibuya khona ukuba le talent lokuba le heart
ngala nguvumela ubuya kwebhola
umfana wona is talented
umongameli
ngambona yakhumbula ngisithi khona ngesikhathi sidlala lekuzenini lidlale le Dynamos first game lapha ngathi umfana wona ngimazi ibizo lakhe but engathola proper coaching is going to go far lalimsola futhi first game lonke sitakula lutho ngathi that guy ngimbonile ngakhuluma ngathi umfana wona ngimbonile ngathi ngimbonile umfana wona engathola i-proper coaching ebe lesibindi ekehle kwesabe crowd is going to go far so that boy even ikopra yakhe ayihlohlile bonke ijoy abelayo
wagijima
igijima
wabuya kithi emasapoteni
I-composure, bra.
it shows ukuthi khona ule talent
Elinengi.
iheart sesayibona nani kusiya phambili
hayi ehathi angimphikisi ubutho athi ubutho washo futhi ngomfana lwana wena
igame time man
Eh.
khayizanto yawonti kungomnye umuntu
Yikujwayela
wayezathi
futhi
first game man abantu bethe hehe behle bemkhiphe but kokyanti igame time la ilokho enjani esiba step the more ithola igame time manje uchiweta na ukuthi kasathola igame time khathesi sesilahlekelwe young jam phela
Mara
lapha
umongameli majojo wathi wabonisa ivini limnika imali idela.
umongameli wasiwabonisa 2 mina ngilanda ipoint ekhuluma ngoSaverez ukuthi it's a good ngani why ngisithi yathi buthosi ubutho uyasupport iSlanders ngenye indlela uzakuya futhi uzosupport njengazathi yancho esikutsho yathi yancho sithi uSavereza ukhulume a point yokuthi singahambisini umfana lwana njengento esayenza kusho wethu yancho manje sikhulume ngozenzo ule Heart Islander kube iadministration la ile Heart Islander kuba umfana lwana kahamba kuba umfana umongameli kahamba kuba uthi wethu ahambanga
ngiphinde ngiphenduke khonapho i-decision yokuhambisa i-player most of the times
Financial.
ayihlali mostly from the team kodwa nje because umfana nxa ngathi semfunga yahola imali engaka lina limholisa imali engaka lingakwazi ukumbophela ku-contract yakhe uthi ehole 200 but sethole chance yokuyahola 300 mikeleli nehambi
but uthi
so asoqala administration
uthi wethu phela zangahambi uthi wethu afana pheka uhambe
Wena jasiqedze nama game. Wena lo phela zaqazisa yayilende. Thursday, Bulawayo Chiefs versus Dynamos, the big one. I think that's the game of the midweek games.
ngize ngikutshele khonapho ke ibulawa Chiefs yabile ama-supporter yakwabe kugcwele ngendlela edlala ngayo ibulawa Chiefs uma silama-supporter la obhudi babo hayi yawina ibulawa
Uthi sakwanisa ukuthi sithi $5 Wednesday siphinde sima $5 Thursday.
hawu as long uyi-Dynamos as long support abafana bethu ibulawa Chiefs iyawina 2-0 ngoba ikuthi in defense team yabo.
athi ukuthi khona ezinometha kudura kanganani kulabantu intandane zebhora ezinjengathi ezokuthi nxa singabonanga ibhora sizwantu aziphile yabo njengami mina nyama ngithe khona try yini le khwekhwe
Vele
nyavele kuchasha wanda mphinde ngibuye ngithi BF ukufa kuphela kodwa siyafela siphakathi but into ekhona engiyaziyo ukuthi umuza it's rare ukuthi ehle ukuhlohla against Dynamos ama games akadlalayo so umuza there is a goal azalihlohla umele ekhaya kule kopora azalihlohla then bese siba nomfana onwahlohla that day ukuzeni ku-Highlanders lwa uyahlohla futhi so kule 3-1 in favor of Bulawayo Chiefs
Ulinothi ke
awulinothi badlale Chiefs
bevela ngale chawana.
yabebuke
Uthini
ama performance yethu sibona siwina 1-0
1-0.
unless maybe singathi sesihlohlile njengoba sinje abantu abazaqalisa ukuhlohla unless maybe lathi sengathi sesihlohlile sibe le grit
that ama-supporters faka ama-supporters
hayi
sesibuya thina
yiko phela ngikutsho ukuthi
Yawina 2-0.
alapha mina ngikhuluma ngeperspective yani ukuwina sizawina but sengikhuluma ukuwina sizawina but sengikhulumela ukuthi kadeza ndileka so igame from previous 2 games zethu lezi sizibonile sonkeni
support
hayi
Lapha
igame yalendazi sasidla ama
sasila
support igame yalendazi sasidla ama support noma eshamva besizi noma eshamva bekule 7 ama supporters but isikwanisile njani ukuwina yabo so lapha mina ngikhulumela ukuthi play yethu ekhona these days even iYislander bhe ingathiwa ipenalty sasidla 1-0 siwine 1-0 so maybe nase singaba ama-1 but indlela ukuthi akubeka ngayo lami senza hlala ethembeni ngikhayeleleni i-3 yona le lapha ithembele kukhona ukuthi liyasindwa wonke umuntu uhlezi phezu kwalo
ebona why ngithe khona olokuzenini ungakhangela ama-plays umuza of course ama-games amaningi against i-Highlanders even chicken Dynamos Highlanders ule nhlanhla yokuhlohla umele ikhaya i-Dynamos kafuna ukuyibona vele
Kwasikhathi si right.
uhleze ngumuntu
Simnandi. Usiningameli minisi. Oh,
uhleze ngumuntu obulalela amashoti
uMelikhabe.
umele ikhaya ngokhipha we-Dynamos engimbone amashoti enxibe emtshayela wona akawabambi uchiyene namakhipha lokuzela amaningi so umelika angathola ama-drives lana anjani angathola 2 or 3 eli-1 liyathinta inethi.
But I said this last week, gents. Ngendlela engabona ngayo Chiefs. Yeah, believe you me. I-team lana izahlupha la. Amboni Dynamos iphenduka lami la ma-points.
Hayi Dynamos ayiphumuli.
Nxa idlalile lana.
Bas congested uthathe league.
Ngoma uGenesis edlalile because he's a good coach that guy. You draw.
Nje complain ngeweather izolo kanti masuthi weather ibinjani Harare.
Hayi weather ngumlimi bro ngakhala ngeweather. Weather ngumlimi. Hayi guys.
We blame
Engakhali ngeweather uGenesis. Ngabuye beef but I see Chiefs and because iChiefs vele yona natural ingavele pure ibizwe ngani likhulu ayadinda mntana.
Kanti vele iweather yakona iyabedla ebingethi meyona.
Hayi weather affecta onke ama team. Engayenzi
maybe ibise sihawula ukuvalela iweather
ayizolikhithile hawo nje. Obatshini.
seliphendukile ihawu.
Hayi khithibile hawo. Balungisisile kuhle kuhle. Into abantu abangenanzelanga bakhuluma but ihawo belikhona. Hayi ihawo belikhona.
Ikawu vele imeli bekhona.
ihawu belikhona kwenye side ayikhona ngapha phela
Belinga beliku right.
lapho ukhonti biyodwa.
Beliku right. I think I've got a picture that I will share landibone.
Alright.
Ihawo belikhona zibini.
But vele liqakade liyadlalana ihawu lakho kanti udlala
Hayi
ngomuntu
khona ukhala nje uthi
Nansi picture kalokho zina. Ayikhithi babelungise 100 beku right.
Andisebehambile nje abantu abadrawayo sebedraw.
nanti
Na hayi belikhona.
nje abantu abathenga amapenseli.
Njengabantu abadrawayo sebedraw ilihawu baliphendukisa.
ingazabe sili support usupporta bona
ihawu liphendukanga ayisiyo khithi le yebhoso.
Yiyo phela ithi
Ayisiyo khithi
aso khithi liyana. Nayo.
So bebetshintshile futhi.
Ayisiyo lana abadlala ngayo.
ayisiyo abayisebenzisa izolo
Le ekhaya sebelungisile.
ayisiyo abayisebenzisa izolo.
liyadlala arena laphana.
Iyezolo le.
Le iyade bedlala.
Iya badlale ngayo izolo le.
So liyana ibingi yangiye first game.
Liyana nceka nge first game.
Yangiye
Greater 100 years.
Kulamakhithi amaningi kunezinto ongazenza kuningi elisesiza kubona.
But
Ina just wait and see kuningi ukubuya
Le
amadoda.
ipost eyiwo le uthi hayi
hayi lepha lesakundi siphendukile
isakundi siphendukini sispose.
At least
Le khithi ye prop kuthi ukuthi enxa ama khithi maningi nje team celebrate kulokunye umuntu ongibona ukupose kupostile ukuthi ibhasi ihamba ukuthi hayi Dynamos lani lingaba lolutho liza kubona thina singabantu abalolutho ngathi hayi ibhanta ku Premier League these days iyachaza nje. So just I understand sithi ilokhu zen ibulawe Chiefs ama points ku Dynamos lana so indlu yonke yavumelana ukuthi ibulawe Chiefs injani.
3 points.
3 points ziyasala ekhaya nxa ilokhuzeni idlalile uGenesis edlalile engathathi ilokhuzeni i1 point nxa ithiwa iDynamos idlala because layo is not a, remember it's not a coming back twice against the Islanders. Ireland lead 1-0 ibuye 1-1 Ireland lead 2-1 ibuye 2-2. It shows ukuthi bale stamina.
Yeah, they're playing good football.
It shows ukuthi bale stamina i-team sibile.
Any ama-games kadiwana aqalisa this Saturday.
But before sikhayela ama-D1 nje ukuthi ethe isikhathi silazo silama game ayi2 kumele siwathi imanika Diamonds le Scotland ama penalty. Ngoba le penalty le manika.
Imanika Diamonds lana isizini iqalisa so and iya ku relegation.
Ayila point bela
iya ku relegation le team le because they're not even serious ngebhola le.
Ingaba le lucky yadliwa 2-1.
ihlohle
Imanika. Singahlohla.
ayikahlohli phela.
Ayithuze.
But iyahlohlisa. Ani mina ngitshela iyadliwa 1-0 yadliwa 2-0 3.
Wathi yaqalisa yini kodwa? Uat.
Kayikele uqalisa nguyothenjiwe.
After very defend ivalile ukuze si ball kick ball.
So this one uthini nje Manika Scotland.
No ngokuthi iScotland but Manika mbona izayibamba la because yabisebenzisa ubo manje abisesakova
Is Manika Scotland adlala eGibo.
Yeah. Still.
yabe kuhome
Yabe
eklimu
kuhome.
As
amabhezi ayichat 3 nxa bazwelini
ngilesifiso sokuthi ngenhliziyo yami yokusupport ngilesifiso sokuthi imaniki wine but in reality
mina mbona bayichat 3
Angiboni.
then last game ngeThursday yani iRenters ile agama lo Benza lapha sengahluhla
Renters win.
lo mdala uBenza sengachaya igobhora
Renters win.
Mni agama.
Renters win.
then let's not forget ukuthi after midweek weekend games that's what gaga fast then sesikhayela ukuthi ama division aqalisa ngeSaturday Simba Bora Islanders eWatsanaye uqeda kuMozi mdala suse Watsanaye former coach
Akuhluphi.
hayi asikhangela igame Simba Bora Islanders ubona njani
Singawina 1-2 si draw 0-0 ngoba Simba Bora vele sijwayele ukuyidla khona ngalombe isdraws.
Mbelilwe.
Kumbe silwe
hayi violence vele sasabakhulu violence asifuni
2026.
hayi
So far mina into engiyithabela ukuthi wonke ama games la sebekhona.
No violence.
No violence.
hayi,
Abantu abahlale benjalo because sport is meant to unite people.
Exactly.
Not ukuthi chithiza abantu.
Eh.
Abantu ababehave
Simba Island
I think it's 1-1 draw.
Islanders win but iwin yabo izadetermine ukuthi le Moors bazadlala njani.
Simba Bora madoda mina ndijelile don't undermine Simba Bora this is another draw Island singadraw le Mozi draw le Simba mine Simba Bora
Hey,
ngiyalitshela
Sizabona ngapha.
because remember imidweek ile effect ye weekend
yeah, yiko kodwa
kakhulu because ala sikhathi kutrain
result will be determined because guys and abantu bazamele be travel
Exactly.
541 kilometers balutshwane phela abafana le Chiefs abakwanisa ukusuka la beshamva bebuya le 3 points.
Ngiyachiyana phela ake ihamba ngekhombi.
then
Ayisamba amabhasi amahle.
Isprint
Ihamba ngekhombi.
Saturday Cape United adrog Rufaro
First Trombe lose Cape United.
Yacha kube mnyama eCapes baba. Hayi eCapes ha. Capes ngihamba layo ba.
It's a draw.
alenga bayidraw
I draw.
they
It draw without even a goal level number.
then eBF amadoda siyalimala chicken ilengezi this week siyalimala umuntu kumele adinge 15 ayifake eceleni
Ungadinga ugada.
ungadinga ogada
Ungadinga ukudla.
eish
Inini ngisarathe.
Saturday chicken ingezi eBF
Siyawuchaya kufelo ke. Why babo?
uqeda ukuyincoma kodwa kathisi
Hayi ingezi vele siqeda ukuyima ingezi.
Uyawazi into engijabulela la. Ichikenini bathayila amafans hayi sizayisupport layo la. Ichikenini yawina lapha 1-0.
Ayina mafanza thina kuyini.
Awu.
so sisi chicken ini
Le straight le
sisi chicken yabivela ku lose
chicken yazi kulose.
Yavela kuluzi.
air-drop.
Yawina wona.
yawo isingawini
Chicken vele ile kuzeni ingezi platinum ayikazi produce good result ngapha.
Le straight draw.
Strong with
ukutravela
Le for inkeza
Eh.
straight draw because vele wakhayela nangwazi inkezi mbente esiyazitshela yona mbente yathi inkezi ngathi nayisiya away vele ayidingi nzima lokhuyani ukuthi
i-team le besikhuluma ngawuthi it's a solid team ngenye kumele sikhaya then last game yeSaturday Platinum Tail 1 eMandawa uJoe lapho yazithathela la La.
Chiwe rule out 10-1. Yawina what platinum.
laba la ngizibona enye draw la
then ngeSunday Mozi lebulawa Chiefs eNgoni imozi zokwayelinda eNgoni Chiefs
Izondile mntana. Yasuke izondile.
Yazi iqeda kuwina kwayalendazana ngali. Yabe le moral. Isiyachaya futhi uyocobudise ngathi.
hayi
Mozi selili create
mina I don't wanna lie. End day result anya weekend will be determined with the way sizadlala ngayo against Dynamos.
but I
But
say
abafana labana they are hungry for
draw
a win.
Because i-Chiefs yafaka a lot of energy ku Dynamos.
yazi kule fix engiyibonayo Anyway, let me continue. Scotland Hunters Rufaro ngeSunday.
Ah.
Lena
Awuya,
kunzima
awuya,
ukuthi Scotland iyandazi players amanye ade suke ku Scotland but iScotland
Le impi yomdeni vele.
Impi yomdeni.
so kule
Hayi draw.
chance
Uthi ayisozi
Hayi draw.
abayithengisela
ngithi phezulu.
Kuzathengiselwana.
eScotland professor
Maybe Hunters njengoba izalokhu ingawinanga bazathi Hunters iwin again.
Uthi alungiswa phezulu.
Eh.
But I see Scotland winning anyway. Then iCaribbean emanika.
Caribbean kumele be first win yayo.
Ayegama madoda
First win yakam. A first win yakam.
kuna danger.
First win yakam.
Yabona ushobula lo ayisithi aspire. Grit.
First win yakam.
Awuyakhali nje imbiza kutshele baba.
First win yakam.
Base behambe 4 games bengana even 1 point. Uzambuza.
Let's
Ngemande
hope
ses
ukuthi
so
master.
iyawini master
let's hope ukuthi okwenzakala ku-agama ayisikho
Ngabe vukana
okwenzakala
noSavereza first win.
first win
I'm
e-Agama.
first win yakam.
Then ngemande ngo3 iRentals le triangle iRufaro Matuta but ngenye into issue lebe inanzelile. Stadium lesana siyalimala lesana.
yabi home yabi awe
iRentals home.
i-Rentals yabisiqedile
Yabe siqedile ibhana ama support yabe sevunyeni.
yawin i-Rentals.
iRentals le triangle that's the last game. Then we were saying about ama division 1 fixtures.
Oh
Sesihle siyivala.
ya ngiyakuzwa laphana sive nama-team I think yona le i-top 4 singazi
Southern region.
Southern region yona le yadidlala idibula singazi maybe kwaphana ukhona omunye ocontestelayo lokhu ze
Njengenkayi ngiyibonile but
but i-talent
TV
talent vision manje layo
umkhuphali la is cooking behind
yeah
the scenes.
big time because inkayi winile i-tournament le last week there was another tournament eyayingale bevula i-stadium lesane se-talent vision i-talent
i-TV
vision i-clash yama-champions
kuyafiwa. Le
bonke
mali kadlale
babuya belengqondo yokuthi sivela thatha amakhabi
i-Central region I'm sure iyaqalisa this week.
inkayi yawini
Inkayi ngendlela engibone ngayo phela
angisakwazi ukuthi inkayi ishone isitonga lesane deep
kutshona
kusho ukuthi inkani
oyinkayi inkani.
kusho that's the
So inkayi le cholocho vele iziqholo kahle kahle.
isitonga lesane sokuthi nxa ungathi uma suthi ngathi lokhu kumnyama yathi kubomvu ingavumi ingajinji
But on a serious note Jensen inkayi ngendlela engibone ngayo because iqinile i-team leya.
Ukuthi
avile inkayi
inkayi
50.
why sithi yawina inkayi ilabantu ama-players ayo wonke aseke adlala even kuma bigger leagues
bigger
uyabona,
stages.
one bakwazi ucontrol ibhola.
uClopas
uBalotelli.
uBalotelli sedlalela inkayi
Ngehluhle 2 ku-final.
Njalo even i-defense yenkayi even last season ukuthi
Former
ingangeni,
Chiefs captain.
kade kulo
uMatsongo
Matsongo.
Matsongo la bona abantu abadlala i-national
nakho ukuthi
level
nje sile ngayi was it 2 season kunje last season ukuthi yahlala le Chiefs ivele lamagozo okuzothatha ileague but ungazikho lokhu la ene potential
Yayihambe.
ngabe twathi nasasingekho vele lapha ebhukwini yayiyangena but hayi let's hope this season izangena but i-talent vision there is another team to watch out for
Yeah uqinisile.
singazo
Iwange
Aquastars
ngani
singazo Aquastars ukuthi
Aquastars ngenja.
i-Aquastars
Kanti vele ngayi-
ikhangathi yenza idili le mainline
Oh okay.
Plumtree have been robbed
amathimane kwi-division one anzima ukupredicta because bungawazi
Plumtree have been robbed yilokhu zenini i-division one
Division 1
status
football.
but yes
So
kokuyani
ibest ngayo
ukuthi
Aquastars. Ngike ngayibona ngani
isindake
team nje.
ibhlawayo yini
All right.
because into ze-financial capacity to run i-team like ukuthi abantu begcine besithi siyakwanisa at the end of the day
Bengasoze
begcine
bekwanise.
bengasakwanisi
Hhayi,
Sesibone,
asikufuni
as
lokho.
you don't want another
Ajax labo Arsenal.
Arsenal movers Ajax
Same scenario yasikufuni.
alokhu asikufuni because andiyabona khathesi ama-players ukuthi isizini ama-team ithi ayisakwanisa isizini siphakathi bakuya ngama-players
Hayi lokho asikufunda ka. Then i-Central region la imbonani iyaqalisa this week. Kuyafiwa ngale GP ifuna ukungena Kwanda Pirates at the same time kulabo Shabana
Even is a therapy Gwanda in the bad team.
ngani ba serious
Ikhwekhwe phela.
ikhwekhwe vela sifukhuluma ngayo ngoba
Yeah, Ikhwekhwe.
they've got everything
Yeah.
bra ikhwekhwe la ise-central they've got everything ikhwekhwe onyanduru laba babe be-advisor anibabona mdala le mali abayiphiwayo anti bathi baboyizwa 300,000 cash bhasi they are very well motivated ojawuri
But Kokane yakwazi ukuthi ukuthi ama former players sabone sesiba lama roles kanjani. It's a good thing.
yakakhulu
The good thing sibili ukuthi umuntu ulwazi adelalo during i-playing era yakhe elehlise eluspread one.
abafanele nabo
Even
bancane.
the employment kokyanti sibekwazi ukuthi
Ukatsande
ukatsande
ngibone
seku
i-Rangers.
i-range FC high range umbe yini
Eh.
kokyana ku right ama teams aqhubeke senzani
ezrom babe-advise
Lincoln Zwasiya la ngibone seku structures eScotland technical team
ngibona ngomhlobo cheni yembijana kulosa Veres ukuthi it's not about ama-teams ukuthi eqhubeke isenza njalo, it's about ama-players awathi nxa ibhora liphela lawo eventure into coaching because ama-teams asoze ehambe yokulanda wena savereza ibhora seliphelile ungathi ungela ama-papers ukuba mcoach. So elevate yourself uyenze
umuntu once ethole opportunity
take that
Ayisebenzise.
opportunity. Ama-teams
But
asebenza
mina as much as you guys are saying it's a good thing ukuthi ama-former players aphenduke ku-coaching and stuff as I so wish bra ukuthi ngabe siba lama-former players angena ku-administration
bakhona na uClemens Matawu nguyo-national team manager admin.
mfuna like sibili bebe baningi
Most of them they don't want to
singathwali nzima ukuthi
abafuni u-upgrade academically into lezana zazifuna la usifundile wabale sikolo mbijana bona abafuni kuphela ku-coaching into ezidlule ezingafuni ama-qualifications uba mcoach.
And another thing maybe le mali anjalo kama ibhora sokhuluma umuntu le mali kube
but administrative
bangena ku-administration ngoba kubucoach lo ubaba bamtshelile manje hayi wena biza umnetsi nje lapha la bahlala labo phansi ngoba bekhuluma nama-players
Wathi ubona into kuze nini zifa kuthiwa khona 5 O levels ama-candidates amaningi a-drop out because i-5 O levels
abaye baze bathiwa sebefotshile
lana mele sizama ukubacelela but on a serious note administratively we need former players
ahlaba vele ukhuluma ipoint
ipoint but asifundeni lathi phela singabantu lebhoreni singahambe esikolo
kube baphakathi kube lama-$5 wona la sikhala ngawo kuba awekho kube bafaka umthetho wokuthi hayi ibhora $2 ngoba bake badlala ubo South Africa badlala 30 years lokhu ibhora liyi-R40 lokho bazwana lokho liyi-R40
bancedise kanjani masudu
Bancedise
ngombono wakho
kanjani bengafuni ukufunda?
sesivala
ama-players
lesi sizayibamba ngelinye ilanga but ufuna siphonga ukuthi
oqala uncedisa umuntu ozincedisayo ama-players labo baqale ngani labo bazi-upgrade labo kubonisa ukuthi labo into le bayilangazelile anjo then 2 izifa yona ngokwayo ayibaye kumbe lokunye kuyi-ama-programs kwama-players ukuthi hayi madoda after indima isiphelile kini la seningastepa in lapha siqhubekile football is not about sizama ukuthi lina masingalifaka phakathi ku-administration izinto zonke ziflowa mnandi because le understanding yonke
le different opinion butho
yeah the only thing I can say is to fail mina kimi failing is something but ufuze akuthathe abe pride ngakho because ukhona omunye umuntu ongazange wazama at first ungabona ufaila utshengisa ukuthi kuwazama ufailile esikolweni uzamile kwehlula and if fail I usually put it as an appreciation it's gonna the first attempt in learning wehluleka go again esikolo uyebhala upass uthi usupasile lawo then nxa ungapho usekudlaleni ibhora ngabe uyenza something do you know uCompany is one of the most educated player ule PhD ngapho wayefunda edlala ibhora ngapho efunda
labo Peter Check
ama players amaningi esikhiweni ngale bala like that or Rashford balama degrees even though those two was waphiwa honorary wangiphi doctor but it needs you to educate yourself ukuthi apart from football ngile something okuzancedisa esikolo but asukuthathe ndawo of course but siyavula ama opportunities uthi ekhatshana
inclusion about issue the ukuthi yes I understand kusharp into esharp ukuthi behlala phansi sibabone bengena kuma channels e-coaching, but into esibulala kakhulu ukuthi I believe administratively we lack people game who know the game in and out, because kwesinye isikhathi as we are saying andiyabona ukuthi u-Eto'o is fighting into eziningi, is changing in Cameroon is changing into eziningi eCameroon because he's a former player.
Kaloku ngomfana wayesenza marketing kubhosi lo wayegijima kakhulu ngeseli juba ndobo kuthiwa manje ngihlezi ngibona
uGabriel
usemazweni
uGabriel
one of those people abafundileyo
South Africa.
ulokhu ephusha la uthi but ngani bamvalela phandle but ayaphusha la.
one of those
South
people
Africa.
abafundileyo sebelolayo, but mina I think uMagwizi ngendlela ayenza ngayo ongama initiatives okunjambonto ungamehlula njengoba sisithi kungaba right sibile ngayakha even the stadium efollows noma national sports bayakayiqeda. But dreaming is a good thing
kakhulu,
and ilako futhi andiyabona ukuthi singakwanisa ukusiyakha istadium lesa come 2028 nalo amkhalelayo ukuthi la singakhost
ukuthi bebhide
kuyabe kunga improve iBorderland leZimbabwe. So let's hope ukuthi the deal will finally come through, ungabi into ephelela ku blueprint kuphela, ibe into esabalayo physical.
Alright, ngiyalizwa Majensi. In closing, mina would love to see many ex-footballers bengena ku administration, but anyway it has been another interesting episode of iPass and Move special. Remember a competition that is running esikhulume ngayo Praxol Electrical and Solar Energies. Fika ubavakatshele khonapho kuma details afaka ku screen, uzathola ubatshela ukuthi into le uyizwe ku Pass and Move, uzathola favorable discount. Otherwise keep on subscribing, the share and let's engage in the comment section. Siyabonga, danko.